I'm Joe Pondo with MSD. Today we're going to talk about rotor phasing. This is a term that's often heard at the racetrack, and we're going to kind of unfold the mysteries about rotor phasing and what the effects of rotor phasing are. Rotor phasing is the relationship of the rotor to the terminal cap on the distributor cap, and that will change any time that you change timing. In most cases, when you put a retard in your timing control or a start retard, we need to account for rotor phasing. If not, you have a tendency of wanting to kick back, kicking on the starter, wanting to break the flywheel, and we just need to readjust the rotor phasing to correct that. Or if you're running down the racetrack with a lot of nitrous and the rotor phasing isn't correct, you might backfire in the manifold, not a good result. I'll show you here in detail on what we're going to do and the different parts that you can buy to adjust the rotor phasing in your vehicle or your race car. I've marked the cap here showing the relationship between the rotor and the post on the terminal. And anytime we move timing, that rotor is going to move from that location. And I'm showing you here with the distributor how far 25 degrees is the change. You don't want it to do that because it can result in a misfire or a crossfire. Now, using a timing light, you can see how far the rotor moves away from the terminal on the cap. As the engine's running, this is actually happening during the race. And now we're going to correct it using the adjustable rotor. To adjust the rotor, we simply loosen the adjustment screws and twist it to the right location. I've indicated a mark here, and that should be relatively close to what I need. Simply retighten the rotor, put your cap back on, and test it with the timing light again. In order to adjust it, you may have to do it a couple times with the timing light to get the right location. So you can kind of use your eyeball to kind of get there first, but with the timing light, it'll verify, and then you may adjust it, tweak it a couple times. You want to have the rotor in close proximity to the distributor cap terminal at all times, depending on the span of retard that you have. Now, you too can correct your distributor rotor phasing using our rotors, our racing rotors from MSD, part number 8421 and 84211. Those are available. You can search them on our web. If not, give us a call and we can help you out.